Outdoors. If you like this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe and like, and I'll have a lot more adventures for you. Thank you. Oh, Daisy here. She's getting a little excited about my fishing post here. You ready to go fishing, Daisy? Are you? Are you ready? Let's go fishing. This is Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoor. Mike and I rented a cabin here, and they're right here, the lake. This lake here holds the trout, rainbow and brown trout. We'll show what the cabin looked like inside. And we got our fire pit, a little grill. We got everything set up. Here's a pontoon couch, whatever, we turn into a bed. Little table. Got another pontoon turn into a bed. Nice setup, kitchen, fridge. Here's bunk beds in here. Let's turn the light on, make it see better. Here's our bathroom in here. Nice little shower. Not bad. I'm at the strip pits, the minded. So it's not a bad little cabin. You got your air conditioner slash your little heater. This is open 20. We got two cabins here, right off the lake by the trout. And there's a multiple lakes, like I said, 30 miles stretch lakes upon lakes. At least three different counties, if not more. Even Pittsburgh, Kansas has strip pits, and this is down here closer to West Mineral, Kansas. But this actually Cherokee. I think it's Cherokee County. I have to go look back up. But now these cabins rented out all year round, so you go fishing and hunting because they got a massive lot of land of hunting and fishing. So if you ever want to check it out. I'll kind of show the cabin a little bit better. And they got a handicap ramp, and in the shower they have a deal for you put down for a sit down for anybody in handicap. This side is Coleridge. This side I'm on. The other side of the cabin is cabin 19, I believe it says. Lake got trout in it. And there's so many lakes out there with bass, walleye, crappie. And some of them have catfish, some have wipers. There's a couple. Mike picked me up this morning, and that's how we loaded up on his John boat. My good old big tuna Jackson kayak, well, 2-seater. Alex will set up. And we just tie this big old thing right on top of this John boat, Lowe's John boat. Not bad deal, huh? Time to fish. Fish on. I saw a fish jump. Well, before I get in there, I'm gonna try it out real quick. See if I can catch a fish right here before I get my kayak out. Nothing want to hit it yet. There, right there. There's a baby duck. It's right straight ahead of that line I threw in there. That should get the fish too, huh? Yeah, right. Oh well. Let's go get on the kayak and get going. To be my main kayak. This is my favorite kayak. Jackson Big Tuna. Big Tuna Jackson. Kayak. Yak and Tack Angler. Whoo! Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoor. Let's go take a venture. See if we catch any fish out here. Mike's over there on his John boat. He's out there fishing on his John boat while I'm fishing my kayak. This kayak is designed to go in the ocean. 2-seat, tandem. You see this chair? I got another one. Of course, I left it at the garage because I only want to be by myself in it. I love it. Got all my rigs set up. Over here. The other way I would lose my GoPro camera. First time I bought that mount, it's the first time I used it. There we go. Just a case. There old Mike heading on out. Right down that line, the stream where he hit, right there. Came out to the left and hit the line right towards where I'm at. Right down. Fish on. Oh, there we go. Get my net here. Woohoo! Finally, caught broad in the fish. This was back in the middle there, but I tossed it back there, and if it's the same bass, he was further to the outside skirt over there. So not bad. Not bad at all. There you go. Little fish. What I heard by a professional, you gotta close the mouth, put it up there, is 12.5 inches. Boom! If I wanted to, I could keep him, but I'll probably let him go. I don't feel like cleaning him. Bass are good eating. If you ever eat largemouth bass, they're good eating. But I'll put him back as soon as I get my camera and all that good stuff. Tree. One thing I like about my kayak here, I can stand up and fish. That's what I miss about this big old kayak. I want to go further out, but and there you go. Baby bass, I let it go. Trying to get it on, and it just got off really tiny. Fish on, yes. There we go. Woohoo! Another bass. All right. Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoor, man. Woo! Let's see how big this puppy is. Woohoo! Look like it. Close her mouth. Ah, a little smaller. 12 inches. Woohoo! 12 inches. The other one's 12 and a half. Like I said, these two will be good to eat, but I'm just releasing them. I don't want to eat them today. They just got here. Might have a fish fry later on tomorrow. Whatever I catch tomorrow. I'll let this one go. Get that out of the way. There we go. Sunset coming down. Won't be too much longer, that'll go down. We got a cabin and we're going to rough it out. You'll see our food tonight. Oh. Eddie coming back just like me. Of course, you don't have to work that fish story he tells about over there, huh? We'll see. He caught a big one and got away, huh? Well, we got back from our fishing trip. So far, Mike caught more fish than I did. I would have caught more if I actually caught them, but I missed a few of them. Anyhow, we were really roughing it. We got meatballs, spaghetti meatballs. We got garlic bread and blueberry pie. Oh, in case you want to know why the blueberry pie looks like that, with all of our stuff piled up in his vehicle, his Bible fell down and hit it. So basically, the Bible blessed the blueberry pie. So this is our little nice outing to eat. So not bad. Wild Bill's Adventures Outdoor. Get back to you for the next adventure tomorrow. We'll see what we do tomorrow.